Learning to trade is hard. Not organic chemistry hard. Not learning Mandarin from scratch hard. It's something worse, it's ambiguous. You don't get a clean answer. No red X or green check. No clear sense of whether you did it right. Only a P&L that whispers, maybe. And that's the killer. Most things you learn have a feedback loop that makes sense. You shoot a basketball. It goes in or it doesn't. You write a song. It moves someone or it doesn't. But trading, you can do everything wrong and still make money, or do everything right and get stopped out like a rookie. So let's get to the real reason this is so brutal. You can't tell if your system is bad or if you're just bad at executing it. And that's where traders lose their minds. You start second-guessing. You change systems too early. You stick with losers too long. You tell yourself it's just variance, but secretly you think you're the problem. Spoiler, you might be the problem. But the system might be garbage too, and until you get consistent, you won't know. Welcome to the most maddening apprenticeship in the world. You thought you were here to learn price action. Nah, you're here to learn how to not lose your mind while waiting to know if you're good. You're learning how to trust a process you can't prove until after the fact. You're learning to take the same setup 5 times in a row, even if the last 3 were losers. You're learning to exit a losing trade, even when every bone in your body says, just hold a little longer. You're learning to walk away from the screen when your P&L is red and your ego is screaming. These are not trading skills, these are emotional skills, psychological endurance skills, risk tolerance skills, identity management skills. No course on candlestick patterns is going to give you that. Most people don't quit trading because it's boring or because they can't understand the mechanics. They quit because they can't tolerate the ambiguity. They can't sit with the idea that they're 6 months into this thing and still don't know if they're improving or just creatively blowing up their account in slow motion. They crave certainty in an uncertain game. And that's fatal, because trading doesn't hand you certainty. It offers you probability, it offers you edge, and it offers you pain. Your job is to get good enough at managing the pain to let the edge play out. If you're still at it, still refining your process, still showing up, still trying to do the boring discipline thing instead of chasing dopamine, then you're already further than most. And if you've got a system with a true edge, even a small one, then it's not about your strategy anymore. It's about your survival. It's about not blowing up. It's about not giving in. It's about not needing to be right, just needing to follow the rules long enough to become right. Because the truth is, trading doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards endurance. So ask yourself, can you execute a good plan poorly without losing faith in it? Can you trade like a machine, even when your emotions are howling? Can you sit in ambiguity long enough to find clarity on the other side? If the answer is yes, even on your bad days, then you might actually make it. If this video has been helpful to you, please click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever we publish something new. You can find more trading-related content at thebarcelonatrader.com. Thanks for tuning in.